What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your car's air filter. If you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I do a lot of automotive and household DIY videos. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so the air filter on the Toyota Highlander is right here, and you're just going to go ahead and unsnap these two silver clips, one here and one back here, and then we can lift it up and it just slides out of this side. And what we can do is we can just pull out the air filter now. Here we go. Alright, as you can see, this thing is pretty dirty. You're going to want to go ahead and change this about every 20 to 30,000 miles. See, look at the difference between that. Alright, so we'll get rid of that old one. Then I like to write the mileage on the new one. Slide it back in. And we'll go ahead and slide these little tabs on the left back in. Then we can snap those silver clips back up. There we go. Alright, and that's it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Check out my other videos, and consider following me on Patreon and helping us out with the channel. Alright, guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.